In this video, we'll talk about putting a tool actually into the spindle of the machine. To do that, from our control panel, we want to go to the MDI command, and then first step is we want to orient the spindle. Alright, so looking from the end of the machine, we're going to do the Orient Spindle. Notice how the spindle is loose and the dog ears are just wherever they happened to land last time. So now, when I hit Orient Spindle, those will become parallel to the x-axis travel, and they also lock into place. So now we're going to put the tool into it. We want to make sure the inside is clean, the outside of the taper is clean. We're going to put the tool up to it, making sure the little dogs line up with the little tabs here. Keep your fingers away from this zone here. This is going to be pulled into the machine. If you have your fingers held like this, it will pinch them, and there's a lot of force there, so we want to be clear of that. Slightly up here on the column, there's a black knob. That's a push button that will activate the air. So when we push this, it pulls the tool into position, locking it firmly. Once we have our tool in the spindle, we might need to change positions of that tool. So we might not want to make sure that tool 1 is in slot 1 of the tool changer. We have a 10 position tool changer. So once we've loaded the tool into the spindle, we come back to the control panel, we come back to MDI command, we go to T and then the position number that we want, in this case 1, and then we're going to go to the tool selection here, the ATC. There are two of them, a forward and reverse. Really doesn't matter which one you use. One will spin the tool changer in one direction, the other in the other. So simply hitting this will let it select that tool position. So we're selecting the T1 position from the board. We're going to hit the ATC to let the piece rotate. For this position, the doors will have to be closed here, so we're filming this from the end. Notice this tool is naturally in position 3, so what you'll see is the head move over, drop this tool into position 3, and select whatever is in position 1. In this case, it's going to be an empty tool. So we'll go ahead and do that. So at this point, we've gone to tool position 1. We now have an empty spindle. We can take our tool that we want for position 1, load it just like we did with the first tool, and then we can move to a different tool, and that tool will be left in position 1. So in your program, whatever you had in position 1, that's what you'll load here. Then we'll load tool 2, tool 3, on through whatever your spindle needs.